What happens in a sound bath? If you've been feeling overwhelmed, stressed, or just off, your body may be asking for a reset. Sound healing works by using vibration and frequency to bring your body and energy field back into balance. It helps calm the nervous system, release emotional tension, clear stagnant energy. In a sound bath, you simply lie down and allow the sound bowls, the instruments, the vibration to move through your body. And what you might not know is in my sound baths, I create intention. I call in intention. I release low vibrational energies. I bring in joy and peace and love and healing. You don't have to do anything. Your body naturally responds to these frequencies. If you're feeling called to experience that, we offer a monthly sacred healing sound bath every month where you can fully relax, reset, and receive. Sometimes the most powerful healing comes to simply allowing yourself and giving yourself permission to receive.